The bike trails around Ridgecrest can be a great way to take in the scenery and get some fresh air in your lungs. If you're taking your bike out on the roads, though, you're at risk of devastating injuries from all the other vehicles around you. Cyclists involved in vehicular collisions often suffer concussions, spinal injuries, bone fractures, lacerations, and organ damage. These can mean hefty medical bills and long recovery times. The driver responsible for your bicycle injury is also responsible for your recovery costs, but their insurance company will fight to minimize any claim they can't deny. At the Ridgecrest offices of Maison Law, we advocate for cyclists' rights to use the road safely. Maison Law's experienced bicycle accident attorneys will gather evidence, interview witnesses, and build a case to win you fair compensation. We offer a free, no-obligation consultation and case assessment to all bicycle injury victims. So if you or someone you love has been involved in a bicycle accident in or around Ridgecrest, call Maison Law today and let us get to work for you.